In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add the texture effect in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we just need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match to open it. Click on the blank document. Then from here, we just need to look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Design tab. And here you'll find watermark, page color, and page borders. Click on this drop-down arrow for page color. Add a splash of color to your document by changing the color of the page. And here you'll find fill effects. Click on that. Now here in the fill effects window, you have gradient, texture, pattern, and picture. Now we need to go with texture and simply choose the texture that you like from here. So there are a lot of texture to choose from, so it's up to you. Now let me go with this one. And then we just need to simply click on OK. It's the water droplets. And that's it. And now you can simply type your text in here. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily do it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.